guys, my name is Manny. I'm the owner of Fine Line Design and Wrap Vehicles. Today we're going to talk about the new HP Latex 700W series. We always invest in the best technology possible. We always support Midcomp, as the supplier of all our latex machines and our equipment for many years now, since 2005. We decided to purchase the Latex 700W for a couple of reasons. Running cost is low, the overcoat, and especially the white is a new offering. So, from an overcoat point of view, that will help us to, enable us for better profit margins. Getting the prints out, being super robust, and long quality of life outdoors. It's with the overcoat, it's literally scratch resistant, and with the white ink as well, we can do labels, we can do clear printed graphics with white flat coat, flat undercoat. We can do sandwich printing, that is essentially a 3-layer print. So one other cool feature I want to show you guys is the print queue feature. If you will go to the print queue, you can call up any job that has printed in the past. So for instance, just say I want to print the same image again, I would hit reprint without re-ripping it or sending the job again from the computer. It will ask me how many copies. I said yes, I want 1 copy, and I would click print. That means it will put it into the print spooler right away there again, and it will push the same job. Also with the latex ink technology, it's 95% of the ink is water. So with the curing unit, all the water evaporates, and then the latex sits on top of the material, not really penetrates the material, and that forms the latex layer.